This brand new unreleased passive crypto miner is on pre-order and at a cost of $260 after my whopping $240 discount code will earn you around 2,588 Fry tokens, which at today's price of 0.0032 would be $8.4 a day. Multiply that over the month, that's over $248, which makes it one of the cheapest and most profitable passive crypto miners available with an ROI of 31 days. In this video, I'm going to review the new unreleased Fry crypto nodes, discuss my updated Fry crypto project ranking, and I'm also going to cover the news of the Fry Foundation token listing. I'll have a link in the description with all of my resources, including this calculator that also includes a PDF of my top 15 projects. Right, let's get into this banger of a video. So on the Fry Foundation website, you can see at the bottom here, unreleased nodes, and you can see the reward decentralization node, the storage decentralization node, and the storage validator nodes. They are all the same price and they all earn the same amount of money. Asking Fry Foundation what the utility of these nodes are, the reply was that they centralize the infrastructure. So instead of relying on a singular centralized server to store data and distribute rewards, all of the deployed nodes will handle it. So it's a way for Fry Foundation to distribute and decentralize, their own infrastructure. If you have one of the existing bandwidth, satellite, or GPS miners, you'll recognize that it will come in the form of a preloaded mini PC. They have an ethos of using recycled material because most of the utility is actually coming out of the software, not the hardware. It's not custom hardware. So you'll get a brand that will vary based on the location that you are in. All you need to do is have a good internet connection, and whatever the required hardware is will be included in the machine itself. Now, there are unverified and verified earnings. The verified status is hoping to go live in Q1 of 2024. So the idea is that by the time these ship, which should be at the end of Q1 or Q2, the verified status should go live. What that means is once you are verified, you will earn the top amount. And that's the amount that we're going to focus on. The second one is the storage decentralization node, again at $500, but that's before my discount. And the third one is the reward decentralization node. So the assumption is that these nodes will be responsible for distributing other users with their rewards. This node is a decentralized storage node. So we'd assume that it will share the load of the storage capacity for Fry Foundation. And this node is a validator node. So it will perhaps validate these storage nodes. So the cost of these are $500 at the moment, and the price will increase by $100 every single week until it reaches $1,000. So that's the RRP. You guys are getting in early on this project. But if you use my unique code, Passive Crypto Node, you can't use it on any other product, but this one, you'll get a $240 discount, which means you'll be getting it at a whopping £260, and that's for all three of the nodes. Now, I've listed all of these together on a sheet. And if you want access to all of this documentation, I've got a link in the description. It's going to send you to my free resources folder. That's going to include this PDF, which is my top 15 passive crypto miners, my deep in projects of 2024. It's going to include this Excel sheet that you can edit to your liking, which will include all of the projects and any more that you wish. There'll be a separate tab here for Fry Foundation. And it will also include a list of all of my referral codes, as I have a ton of them that will save you a lot of money. And I've also got all of the bookmarks that I've put together and a video on how to import them as well. So you can make use of that. And that also includes a bonus crypto project. And if you're finding value in these videos, I would absolutely love it if you could click thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel. You can put the bell notifications on so you can see when my next video drops. It really helps the channel and the algorithm. My previous ranking had the high-end weather miner and the indoor quality miners from 1 to 8. But I've actually updated it because I found that the new node miners are earning around $8 a day. That's $250 a month. With the discount that I'm sharing at £260, it will only take 31 days to get an ROI if you are a verified earner. which is an incredible return. And if Fry Foundation stick to their end of the bargain, well, then you'll be getting a miner for $260. You'll be earning $250, and that's at today's price. And this is not financial advice. I cannot tell you what to buy and what to purchase. But if you invested in all of the crypto nodes that Fry has, it would cost you $1,970. That's with the discount of around $1,300. And you'll be earning $1,289 a month. So by month 2, as long as the price stays the same, you would have ROI'd on your return. The last thing I want to cover here is there was a call out from the community about the shipping prices, and so Fry Foundation updated this. So there's free shipping for the mini PC based miners, which hopefully applies to the nodes, and there's around a $50 shipping for other countries for the other miners, so hopefully that's useful. And the next bit of news is that Fry Foundation was listed on non-KYC. This is a crypto exchange, so this is amazing. We want to see these crypto projects being listed on more exchange, and there was going to be a new CEX listing on this exchange here. I can't pronounce it and I'm not going to try, but that's going to be in the next 48 hours. This is all exciting news for the Fry Foundation. As mentioned, this code is only going to last for 1 week. After 1 week, this code is no longer going to be eligible. So if you want to get hold of it, you have to use it within this week. And remember, the price of the miner is going to increase week on week until it reaches $1,000. This was my quick update because this was a time-sensitive video. If you want to learn about the top 15 passive crypto mining projects of 2024 that are earning today, you can click on this video on the right. And if you want to learn about the new Galaxis digital nodes, then you can click on this video on the left. That's it from me. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.